Hello, I'm John Barboza. Thanks for tuning in. I was talking to a small group of people about accomplishing goals and what it takes to motivate yourself to start and complete projects. One story that caught my attention and stuck with me was from a guy who said, "All my goals are manifested in the bathroom." I remember everyone laughing, including me. Even he was smiling. In fact, his smile is what caught my attention. His teeth were perfect and so white. As the laughter was winding down, I complimented him about his smile. He told me that he owes his smile and his perfectly aligned teeth to his mother, who made sure, as a child, he brushed his teeth for a certain amount of time, giving each tooth the same amount of care as the last tooth. He said all this while grinning. I just sat back and listened like everyone else was. And then he asked me, "Do you know what the #1 electronic toothbrush is?" And a few people laughed, and I said, "No, actually, I use a manual toothbrush." He said, "Oh no, electric is the way to go." And then he rattled off some statistics and information as if he was an expert toothbrush salesman. And as he was doing this, you could hear spurts of giggles here and there. He said you have 3 main competitors: Philips, Aquasonic, and Oral-B. Now each one has several grades, like the Philips Sonicare Protective Clean 5100 electric toothbrush, or the Philips Sonicare Diamond Clean electric toothbrush. Philips Sonicare Protective Clean electric toothbrush, and of course the Philips Sonicare Kids electric toothbrush. And the Aquasonic Black Series electric toothbrush is in a higher class than the Aquasonic Duo electric toothbrush. The Oral-B Pro 1000 cross-action electric toothbrush is in a class all of its own. It's top of the line, and in second place is the Oral-B Pro 7000 Smart Series, followed by the Oral-B Pro 1000 and the Oral-B Pro 8000. So we're patiently listening and smiling and waiting to see how this all relates to accomplishing goals like stopping smoking, losing weight, or managing stress. And then he starts mentioning how each electric toothbrush is compared to each other by the amount of brush heads they have, like either 1, 8, or 10. And the comparison of the style stroke motion, which can be sonic pulses, ultrasonic pulses, or the incredible rotation, osculating, and pulsating style. And then just before losing half of the group who were struggling to keep their eyes open, like you're probably doing now, he finished by saying the battery life also plays a major role in determining how the toothbrush is ranked. To be honest with you, I wanted to close my eyes like everyone else was doing. One eye after the other. Closing. Closing. Sleeping. Listening. Closing. Relaxing. Struggling to stay awake. And soon you may notice your eyelids becoming heavier as each breath makes you relax even deeper. As you listen and sleep. As he explained how his mother taught him how to brush his teeth by saying, "As you brush your teeth, focus on one tooth at a time, being sure to brush the front, back, and top or edge. As you think about and focus on your accomplishments of the day, and brush, focus, and think about your plans for tomorrow and what you need to do to accomplish your goals, your plans. As you brush and focus on your next tooth, imagine seeing yourself preparing and focusing and doing what you need to do to complete your goal. Every time you brush your teeth, know that you are successful because you are disciplined and you are ready to take control and be in control of your actions, because you are disciplined and you are ready to be in control of your behaviors. and accomplish what you think about accomplishing. You can determine what you do with your thoughts, because you determine what action is best for you by simply thinking about it and making it happen. And it is just as easy as that. It is just as easy as brushing your teeth, one tooth at a time, one step at a time. Focusing, cleaning, and successfully completing what you begin. Doing what you think of. Thinking of what you want to do when you take hold of your toothbrush. And I wonder what you will allow yourself to experience now that you are relaxed and your mind is open to new ideas. What solution will you come up with when you brush your teeth? What goals are you ready to tackle and complete? I wonder how you will know when you've made contact with your subconscious mind. What sense will you make of it? You might even ask yourself, where shall I begin? Should I start right now or immediately? And how excited will you be, feeling an overwhelming sense of motivation to successfully achieve this goal? If you could come up with a plan that would make you feel comfortable enough to feel positive, confident, and ready to make the necessary changes in your life, what would it take for you to put that plan into action? Knowing that you could see things differently from now on. Has it already begun? Has it taken place yet? Have you even noticed how easy starting the process is? It doesn't matter whether you notice a big change or a small one. I'm not saying you'll notice a difference right away. If you notice things changing, then you'll know something's working. So creating goals while brushing your teeth is an amazing technique his mother taught him. It's something everyone can do, including you. So recognize the power of focusing and the determination and motivation created every time you brush your teeth. And as he finished this story about the toothbrush and told everyone to open your eyes with each number and feel the energy, motivation as you open your eyes now, knowing that each electronic toothbrush has a battery life of 10 days, 14 days, 21 days, 28 days, and 30 days. And then you also have the manual toothbrushes that never have to be charged. So you have a lot of information and the ability to make a decision and make the changes you want whenever you're ready. So now that you're thinking about it, pay attention to all the feelings that you're having, that you're noticing, and do something about it. I'm John Barboza, and I'll see you soon.